Finding winning products can be hard. Finding winning products which no one else is selling is even harder. But in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 top secret ways how you can find winning products using just your phone. What's poppin', people? It's your boy the Beast of Ecom, and I am back with another video dropping nothing but you already know, value bombs. Recently, I asked my followers, what is it that they are struggling with? I asked them on both Twitter and on YouTube, and both of them said the hardest thing that they're struggling with is finding winning products. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 top secret ways how you can find winning dropshipping products that you can sell on your Shopify store. All 3 of these methods are underutilized and barely shared anywhere, but they are highly effective. Best of yet, they are all 100% free, and all you're going to need to follow along with this video is your mobile phone. I can certainly guarantee you're gonna love these methods and get some value out of this video. So if you could drop a like on the video, it will help the video out, help the channel out, and it will give the algorithm some love. And second of all, drop a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever saw these methods before or if you are already using them already. Finally, if you are new to the channel, then please do drop a subscribe with the notification bell on. I drop weekly videos showing you how you can make more money with your e-commerce dropshipping stores. Right, so let me reveal to you the first method. Make sure, of course, you go and grab your mobile phone, because we're going to be using our mobile phone to download the apps to be able to find these products. The first method is using the AliExpress app. So if you haven't got it, go and download it from either the Play Store or App Store if you're using Apple or if you're using Android. With AliExpress, what happens is it will populate your feed based off the stuff that you've already interacted with. So if you've saved a certain type of product, or if you have, engaged with a certain type of product or bought a certain type of product, then your feed, kind of like Facebook, will be populated with those kind of products. Now, what I like to do is using this first method is at the bottom, you can see it says feed, messages, cart, and account. What you want to do is you want to make sure you click on feed. Right now, if you click on feed, at the top there it also says following inspiration or live. You want to make sure that you're on inspiration. Now you can see here straight off the bat, I can see a product here that looks so cool that I probably want to purchase one of these myself. So if we click on this here, we can see here that we have a shower head, but it's not just any normal shower head. Something that's really cool, really quirky, and in the news feed, this would jump out, especially if you're trying to sell a product like this on Facebook, okay? Or alternatively, selling a product like this on TikTok as well, because it has that really nice wow feature. So what I would then do is I'll just scroll through and have a look at some products which have videos. And most of the time you're looking for stuff which is just jumping out, which is cool, quirky, and unique. Again, this product here, you would have a look at the prices, and you want to ignore some of the random stuff that you can't sell on Facebook, like, motorbikes and just people wearing clothes. This product here, again, could be another idea. We can see here, you can also have a look at the comments as well and do some due diligence to see whether or not people actually like the products. So the more comments that it's got, the more like that it's got. Generally, again, a bit like Facebook, we can assume that people actually like it. If I have a look at this, I can click down to see how much it is. It's $200, which again is way too expensive anyway to sell on Facebook. But we could then go ahead and have a look and purchase it this way. Obviously is going to add in costs of shipping, etc. We can see what the sellers selling, what their reviews are. This is 5-star, it's great products, but it's just the margins probably wouldn't be there, right? Another thing you can do is if you scroll down, and let's see if I can find something else. Okay, so this product, for example, here, we can also click on the name of the person, right? And what it's then going to do is it's going to show you some of the other things that they've posted, again, other videos. So again, this could be another product for people who want an easier way to put soap on their sponge and clean dishes. Makes the life for people easier, etc. And we can scroll down and have a look at some of the other products that they've that they've done, etc., and go through and just find stuff which is jumping out to us. So that's the first method on how you can find winning products. Make sure you go and get the AliExpress app, okay? Again, this is a 100% free method, and start searching on this live feed. The second top secret way on how you can find winning products for free using your mobile phone is Reddit. Now, you may be thinking, how on earth can you find winning products on Reddit? Well, let me show you exactly how you can do so. So inside of the Reddit app, you can see here, this is my news feed. where all of the Reddits that I'm a part of, the subreddits that I'm a part of, this is where the news feed is. But if you click on this button here at the bottom, you can see here, if I go back, this is where all of the subreddits that I'm a part of, all of the communities. These are some subreddits that I like to use. So I've got Shut Up and Take My Money. We've got, you know, I Need It. We've got Didn't Know I Wanted That. We've also got product porn there as well. So if I just click on this one here, right, and I scroll down, now, not all of these products are going to be stuff that you can even find on AliExpress or find anywhere, because some of it's custom stuff. But if you scroll down and you just want to breach through and have a look and see if we can find anything. Now, this product here, this is something that some guy has made with the dice, but I know that you can find these also on AliExpress as well. And I'll put a screen up and show you how you can find them essentially on AliExpress as well. And if you scroll down, keep scrolling down, so we've got some lightsaber chopsticks. Now again, this is kind of borderline in terms of, you know, if you say lightsabers, then like 9 times out of 10, it's copyright to Star Wars, so you wouldn't really want to go down that route. But again, it's something that not many people will see, and it stands out like a sore thumb essentially. Okay, so again, that's just one feed pretty much. And if we keep scrolling down, again, we've got this product here. We could probably find something like this similar on AliExpress. And again, if we just go into other ones, so Didn't Know I Wanted That, let's see if there's anything else. So here's another cool product. Again, you might not be able to find this on AliExpress, but a regenerative candle, something which will never go out. And we can see we've got 6,000 points or upvotes. We've got 93 comments on it. So something that we could potentially look into and go down that angle on AliExpress to see if we can find something similar like this. Order it, shoot some content with it as an untapped winning product. So the final top secret way on how you can find winning products, which is untapped, is using TikTok. Now, TikTok is absolutely massive. I've been spending quite a bit of money utilizing TikTok and TikTok ads. So it's definitely something which a lot of people are using, and you can definitely find a lot of viral products or products that are going to go viral or in the process of going viral on TikTok. So let me show you. First and foremost, you need to make sure that you have a TikTok account. And by the way, if you are not following me on TikTok, go and do so. I've been dropping a few videos on there, so make sure you go and follow me on TikTok. But what we want to do is we want to head to Discover, okay? And what we can do is we can type in different things. So if I just go back and click see more, these are some of the things that I've searched previously before: Amazon finds, useful gadgets, viral makeup, product review, etc., those kind of things. So if I just type in TikTok made me buy it, right? And it will show up all of these kind of videos here. Now, this is over everything. This is all pretty much, you know, since TikTok exists, it's just some of the most viral stuff on there. So 2.1 million, 1.6 million. But what you can do is, which I didn't even realize until recently, is that there's this filter in the top right hand corner. And if we click on this, we can filter by yesterday, last week, 3 months, 6 months, and we can also sort by most liked. So again, if you want the most recent stuff, which is picking up speed on TikTok, sorry, we would click on this week, and then we can click on most liked, click apply, right? And you can find different things on here. Now again, like I've mentioned, some of this stuff isn't going to be stuff that you can actually even find on AliExpress, but it's going to give you some ideas on what you can potentially sell. So for example, if we scroll down, let's see if we can find something. Let's keep scrolling. I have no idea what this is, but let's see what it is. Okay, so it looks like some kind of, I have no idea what on earth that is. Yeah, so that probably wouldn't be a good example essentially. So let's see, we've got a chip sealer bag. Again, this isn't a revolutionarily new product, but again, we've got some new creatives that you can potentially emulate by getting this product on Amazon, sent to your house, and doing something similar to like this, because we can see that this has had 4 days ago and it's got 8,500 likes. So that's another method on how you can find winning products, and you can go through. And also, if we click down here, it says, in fact, another idea is when you click on sealer, this one's got TikTok made me buy it. So let's see if we can find something else. Let's click on this one here. So also, what it also has down is you want to have a look at some of the other hashtags that people use. So she's put travel hacks, so we can click on travel hacks as well, and then copy that. And if you go back, click on travel hacks, search. Again, do the same thing. We want stuff this week, most liked, apply. And again, we would go through and see if there's any sort of products that we could potentially find that we can go and source and then sell on our Shopify store. So hopefully you got some value from this video. Did you know about these 3 methods? Are you using any of these 3 methods? Let me know in the comments down below. If you personally want to learn more from me, then make sure you check out my course Ecom Beast 2.0. The link for that will be down below. And if you use the code and you come from YouTube, use the code YouTube100 and you'll get $100 off the course. If you are watching this point of the video, I'm going to assume that you enjoyed it. So please do consider dropping a like on it. It will help the channel and give the algorithm some love. Hit me up on Instagram, hit me up on Twitter. We can definitely try and connect on there. But that is it for this video. Take care and I'll see you in the next one.